Alam mo ba ng airline ticketing business industry ay isa sa mga profitable business when it comes to world market? Ang pagkakaroon na lamang ng sariling online booking, hotel accommodation, and packaging tour for international and domestic ticketing ay isa na ang magandang negosyo na pasukin sa panahong ito. Pagpalagay mo na lang na nakapagbenta ka ng 1 ticket for domestic one way, you can earn 300 pesos per day. And if you sell 10 tickets, that is equivalent to 3,000 pesos per day. So in 1 month, you can earn as much as 90,000 pesos per month by just selling 10 tickets of domestic one-way every day. What if you sell 1 ticket for domestic and round trip? You can earn 600 pesos per day. And if you sell 10 tickets per day, you can earn as much of 6,000 pesos per day. So in 1 month, you can earn as much as 180,000 pesos per month by just selling 10 tickets of domestic round trip. E paano na lang kung international for one-way flight ticket? You can earn 700 pesos per day. And if you sell 10 tickets per day, you can earn as much as 7,000 pesos per day or almost 420,000 pesos in a month by just selling 10 tickets of international one-way flight. What if you sell international ticket for round trip? So that is equivalent of 1,400 pesos per day. And if you sell 10 tickets, that is equivalent to 14,000 pesos per day. Or in 1 month, you can earn as much as 420,000 pesos per month. So ganun po kaganda ang ticketing industry. Ipagpalagay na lamang po natin na once a week, makapagbenta ka ng 1 ticket of round trip international. So you can earn as much as 5,600 pesos per month. So malaking bagay na po ito na kumita ka ng 5,600 pesos per month just selling a ticket once a week. Eh what if you sell 20 transaction per day? So meaning to say, you can earn as much 840,000 pesos per month. So kung seryoso kang gawin itong negosyo na to, you can earn as much 840,000 pesos in a month by just selling 20 tickets or 20 transactions per person per day. So rito, para makapagsimula ka ng negosyo, kailangan mo mag-put up ng 250,000 worth of capital for being a business center or 750,000 for being a master franchise. Paano kung wala pa akong sapat na pahunan para makapagsimula magnegosyo? So don't worry, you can still start the business for being a business associate or dealer ng company. You can have the ticketing business. At the same time, meron ka pang add-on features tulad ng loading business, money transfer, may bills and payment facility ka pa. At the same time, meron kang online store at you can advertise your product through our system. At ang kagandahan yan, may mga add-on features pa yan na tulad ng ebook, e-commerce site, personal dashboard account, transaction history report kung saan hindi mo na kailangan pa ng accounting dahil meron ka ng history report na siyang magkukompute ng inyong mga transaction. At the same time, we have free trainings via online or via offices of Top Deals. At the same time, we have the online technical support or customer service representative. At lifetime membership po ang iyong ibabayad dito. At the same time, kasama ka na rin sa travel and car incentive. At ang kagandahan po rito, kabilang ka na sa mga upcoming benefits ng company tulad ng insurance, top card, Android, iOS application, online marketing page at marami pa pong iba. So rito, hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng 250,000 or either 750,000 pesos worth of capital. Dahil for only 4,980 pesos, pwede mo nang simulan ang iyong negosyo. Ganun kaganda. So ang aming kumpanya ay nagsimula pa noong May 2014 at patuloy na nag-ooperate ng legal dito sa ating bansa. You can check our SEC registration by going to the official website of Securities and Exchange Commission. Ang aming main office is located at Unit 507 Cityland Show Tower, corner St. Francis Street, Mandaluyong City. At meron na po kaming 16 na opisina nationwide. So rito, ang produkto mo, basic needs at daily needs ng tao. Okay? Trending ang negosyo. Okay? At the same time, hindi nalalaos yung produkto. Bakit? So rito, travel and tours. At the same time, meron ka pang loading business at meron kang money and cash transfer for Smart Madala and GCash. Meron ka pang bills and payment facility kung saan lahat ng bills included. At the same time, small capital, minimal investment, low risk. Okay? So, ang kagandahan po rito, by just using your phone, smartphone, okay, tablet, and any internet-capable device, pwede mo nang simulan ang negosyo. Anytime and anywhere you are. Ito po ang actual ticket na piniprint namin dito sa aming company, kung saan ito po ang aming ipinapadala through email to the customer na para gamitin nila at ipakita nila once na magpa-flight na sila. Okay? So, at the same time, ito po yan. Napakarami po niyan. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope nagkaroon ka ng interest na katulad namin magsimula ng minimal business but a bigger, profitable kind of business. So, we want you to be part here in our business. So, welcome ka sa aming team. Our team is Spearhead here in Top Deals. So, thank you so much for watching this video. So, if you have further questions and inquiries, you can contact direct me, add me on Facebook, Mondi Longos, or you can contact the person who show you this video.